Palagi ba ako nanalamin katulad ko? Kung oo, alam niyo ba ang scientific konsepto sa likod ng mga refleksyon? Sa araw-araw, lagi tayong nanalamin mula umaga hanggang gabi. Pero naitanong niyo ba sa inyong sarili kung paano nga ba natin nakikita ang ating refleksyon? Halina at ating tuklasin ang mundo ng refleksyon.
Before we go to the law of reflection, let us know first what causes reflection and how it happens. First, the ray of light strikes from the mirror is called the incident ray. The point of the incident ray strike is called the point of incidence. Second, if you draw a perpendicular line from the point of incidence upward, this line is called normal.
The angle between the ray of incidence and the normal is called the angle of incidence. The light that bounces back from the mirror is called the ray of reflection.
The angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called the angle of reflection. Now that we all know the basics of this, let us go to our main topic, which is how we can see our reflection. When light rays bounces off completely on a smooth surface such as pools of water and mirrors or something like school mirrors, we are able to see a very clear reflection from the surface. Every ray of light is reflected perfectly from the surface. When people look in the mirror, they see images of themselves behind the glass. That image results from light rays encountering the shiny surface and bouncing back or reflecting, providing a mirror image. Now let us go to the two laws of reflection. First law states that the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. If the angle of incidence is 60 degrees, then the angle of reflection is always 60 degrees. In short, I is equals to R, or incident is equals to reflection.
The second law of reflection states that the ray of incident, angle of incidence, point of incidence, normal, ray of reflection, angle of reflection lies in the same plane.
In addition, reflection can happen in both smooth and rough surface. In a smooth surface, a specular reflection happens. It means it has a uniform reflection, just like this animation we provided. Also, in a rough surface, a diffuse reflection happens. It tends to have a scattered reflection, just like this animation. Now, applying the concept of reflection, which is easier to read, a glossy page or in a rough page? Of course, it is much easier to read in a rough page because it provides a diffuse reflection rather than a glossy page that can cause a glare when reading it.
Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you've learned something from this presentation. Please like,
Share and subscribe, and please click the notification button for more updates.